Welcome to Inktober. Welcome to the Art Project. Welcome to the prompt swing. I've told you before, my challenge to myself during the month of Inktober is to do all of the prompts using a skull as my subject matter. I can add things to it or just use the skull itself or whatever. I'm also, for the most part, using a dip pen. Using a dip pen and ink. I've also used some gold paint and some gold pens, and some, I forgot what other color I used. But anyway, this is day number 9. The prompt was swing, and so I'm drawing this hinged skull, or this jawbone, as swinging away from the skull itself. It was a lot of fun. But also, I want to tell you, I want to give you a little bit of advice, a little bit of encouragement. Of course, all different ages and types of people are watching this video. But wherever you're at in life, let me make a suggestion. If you're an artist, start painting, start drawing, start making sculptures. Whatever it is you do as an artist, do it, and do it as much as you can while you can, because as you get older, it doesn't get easier. It is 7:30 right now. It is 7:30 right now, and I've got to get my daughter ready for bed, and I've got to tuck her in, and I've got to read her a bedtime story, make sure she brushes her teeth, takes a bath, and all that kind of good stuff. And then by the time I get all that done, it will have taken about an hour, and then it will be time for me to get ready for bed, and I'm exhausted. But what I really want to do right now is I really want to paint. I want to go out and paint because I got this new ink, and I want to try it out. I want to work in my sketchbook, and I want to do all these things, but I'm exhausted. I don't have the energy I had when I was a teenager, or when I was in college, or even in my 30s. So work hard while you can. Make as much art as you can while you're young. And then, anyway, just do the best you can. Don't waste your life watching a bunch of TV, or being on your YouTube all the time, or being on Instagram or Facebook. I mean, all those things are good and fine, and you can do them as you need to. I mean, obviously, I want you to watch some YouTube videos, right? But be productive about it. Don't waste your time not making art. Watch some videos to learn. Watch some videos for entertainment. But don't just sit there mindlessly for hours upon hours upon hours when you could be painting, you could be journaling, you could be drawing, you could be doing whatever it is that you enjoy doing. Don't waste it on your phone or your TV. All right? Anyway, that's my encouragement. Hope that's encouraging for you. Good luck with that. It's hard, I know. Enjoy Inktober. Give me a thumbs up. And go make some art.